Hi everybody, good morning. Am I audible? Yes.
Yeah, good morning, Anji. You are audible.
Okay, fine. So is everybody wake up your service now instances and everybody changed password to training at the rate of 1 to 3 your instance password. Yes. And everyone have two service now instances. Yes, guys, please respond. Is everybody have two ServiceNow instances, and everybody have wake up your ServiceNow instances, and the instance password should be training at the rate of 1 to 3 T capital letter.
Anji,
Yes, Jayasri.
I was trying to create one instance, but it's not, it's showing my instance as waiting list.
Yes. So nowadays we are getting that message for everybody. Okay. So once ServiceNow instance is available, so you will get one email notification. Okay. Until we have to wait.
Okay, approximate time?
So we can't say approximate time. Maybe you will get ServiceNow instance within 1 day, or maybe sometimes it will take 1 week also like that.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Have any instance right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So if you want to use ServiceNow instance, so you can use my ServiceNow instance, guys. If anybody want, okay, you know, instance ID is this one, and password is training at the rate of 1 to 3. Okay. If your instance is not available or you have some issues with your instance, you can utilize this instance. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So I required your service no instance IDs. So send me your name, instance URL, password, instance password. Okay, I required these three details. Everybody has two service now instances. So please send me your name, your instance URL, and your instance password. And your instances should be in wake up mode. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, send me. Meanwhile, we will discuss some theory part. So meanwhile, please send me. Now you can see today's concept is update set. So what do you mean by update sets? What do you mean by update sets? Update set is a group of configuration changes that can be moved from one environment to another environment. Update sets is a update sets are group of configurations done by user that can be moved from one instance to another instance. One instance to another instance. So update sets will help us as like a container, whatever the work we did in development environment. So we are keeping in this container and we are moving this container to the another environments like testing environment, production environment, like that. Okay. Yes. So we'll go for the docs definition of update sets. Wait. Mhm. So you can see an update set is a group of configuration changes that can be moved from one instance to another instance. This feature allows administrators to group a series of changes. We don't require all this. So I'm simply keeping this line of statement. Okay. Copying it and pasting here. An update set is a group of configuration changes that can be moved from one instance to another instance. Okay, guys. So for example, till yesterday class, we did many things. We did many things with Servicenow instance. Like we created my first table, second table, my third table, my parent, my child. We applied the dictionary override. We applied reference callback. Yes, we did all these things. Okay. Now I want to move whatever the work I did in my training instance to another instance. Okay, we can treat my training instance as a development environment. Okay, I want to move this work to another instance. So if you want to move your work to another instances, you require update sets. Update sets will act as a container to store the configurations you did. To store the configurations you did. Okay, guys. So I'm keeping URL. Yes, Ramakrishna. Why you have forwarded email address not required? Okay. Next. I'm keeping this URL as well. I'm keeping this URL as well. Next. Okay, fine. So what is the navigation for updates? It's creating a update set. What is the navigation for creating a update set? Yes. Can go to that. So you can see, you can type system update sets. Okay, system update sets. You can type system update sets. Under system update sets, if you want to create a update set, you have to navigate to the local update sets. Okay, under system update sets, you have to go for local update sets. Okay. So update sets table name is sys underscore update underscore set. Sys underscore update underscore set. Now I'm clicking on local update set. So you can see this is the table name for update set. Sys underscore update underscore set. And we have another table involving in the update sets, that is customer updates. I will show you this table also. Customer updates. Customer updates. Sys underscore update underscore XML. Sys underscore update underscore XML. Update sets table name is sys underscore update underscore set. Customer update sets, customer updates table name is sys underscore update underscore XML. So basically, this sys underscore update underscore set contains a update sets. Update sets, this table contains update sets. Within the update sets, this sys underscore update underscore XML table contains all our configurations. Okay, guys. So here you can you can think you can think, so this is a container. So whatever the record we are creating in this is a container. In that container, so from this, in this table, we are creating all our configurations. Okay. Yes. For example, till today our current update set is, so here you can see where you are going to identify your current update set. You can click on global icon. What is our current update set here? Update set default. Okay, what is our current update set here? Default. So till today, whatever the work I did, so stored in this default update set, stored in this default update set. Okay, guys, got it? So you can see almost 1494 customer updates are there. Okay, this is the update set table, sys underscore update underscore set. If you scroll down, here you have customer updates. Here you have customer updates. All our work was stored here. All our work was stored here. Okay, now you can see guys. Yesterday we worked with users forms, right? So you can see group, my third role, my second role, my first application, my third table. So these all are our configurations we did. These all are our configurations we did. Okay. Okay, guys, everybody got it? Yes or no? What are the states in updates it? There are 3 states: in progress, complete, and ignore. States in update set. In progress, next complete, third one ignore. Okay, so there are 3 states in update sets: in progress, complete, and ignore. Okay, and here you can see when the update set state is in progress. If you are currently doing your work, then you will keep your update set is in progress. Okay, yes, your work is done. Your work is done. You will keep your update set is completed. Okay, so for example, you have worked on something, then after you feel that it is not required, simply you will keep ignore. Okay, guys, so if you are currently working on that particular update set, you will keep update set state is in progress. If your work is done, you will keep your update set state is completed. So if you done some work, then after you are not interested with that work, so then you will keep ignore. Okay, everybody got it? States? Yes. And here you can see, here we have to discuss one point. For example, if we join in an organization with some experience, okay, so for example, you are expert in Servicenow. Okay, you are expert in Servicenow, but if you don't know how to move update sets from one instance to another instance, okay, if you don't know how to move our update sets from one instance to another instance, even you are expert in Servicenow, then they will treat as you are fake. Okay, so it's very important thing, moving update sets from one instance to another instance. Okay, yes, fine. Next you can see how many ways we can move update sets from one instance to another instance. I will say ways to move update sets. So the first one is first one is by using XML. Second one is update source. Third one is team development. Okay, I can say by using XML or XML. Wait, I will keep by using XML only. Retrieved update sets. Wait. We have retrieved update sets, right? Yes. Wait. Import update set from XML. We can note down this point, this line. Okay, import update set from XML. instead of this. Okay, guys. So we'll move update sets 3 ways in our organizations. Okay. We'll move our update sets from one instance to another instance by using 3 ways. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Till now, you have any queries, please let me know. No. Next. So basically, what are the update? What are the configurations will capture in update set? What are the configurations not captured in update set? Okay. What are the configurations will capture in the update set? What are the configurations will not capture in update set? So here you can see, guys. So if you see roles is captured, role is captured, is group data is captured, is user data is captured. You can see, guys. Maybe you already seeing here what it captured. Okay, so form layout captured, role captured, system property captured, module captured, application menu captured, dictionary entries, access controls, tables captured. Data is not captured. You can see data is not captured. Okay, like this. Few things will capture, few things will not capture in the update set. We have to note down. So whatever the configurations captured in update set, what are the configurations not captured in update set here. Okay. First of all, I've note down configuration captured in update set. Okay. Next, configurations not captured in configurations not captured in update set. Okay, we will note down. I'm saving it. So you come here. So I already have one screenshot says that what will capture and what will not capture. Okay. You can see update sets. This screenshot will tell us what will capture, what will not capture. So you can see captured business rules, slide skips, fields, forms and form sections, reports, tables, views, workflows will capture. Okay, we'll note down. As rules, line scripts. Fields, forms, and form sections. Forms and form sections. Next, reports, tables. Views and workflows. Okay, you can also write all scripting. Okay, all scripting will capture. Next, here they haven't mentioned roles, right? Roles will capture. Next, flow designer. So flow designer, few more things also there from the capturing the updates. Few more things also will capture. So if it is a scripting, it definitely will capture in the updates. It's okay. That's why I have written all scripting instead of writing all the scripting concepts. I have written all scripting. Okay, tables, forms, form sections, everything will capture. And what will not capture in update set? What will not capture in update set? We can note down. Data will not capture in update set. Okay, modified CAs, modified data records, CIs, modified data records. Okay, next users, groups, new data records, new users and groups, new data records, new users and groups, Okay, schedule jobs. Okay, schedules and schedule jobs. Schedules and schedule jobs. Okay, this will not captured in update set. Okay, this will not captured in update set. Okay, guys. I have received only 2 ServiceNow instances. So please, everybody send me your name, your ServiceNow instance URL, and your password. Password must be training@123 T capital letter. Okay, it is required for explaining update sets concepts. Okay, fine. These are the configurations will capture and will not capture in update sets. Next, wait. How to capture? So here it will automatically not capture these things. Okay, so for example, still if you want to capture this, okay, data, still if you want to capture data, how many ways we have to capture the data? Okay, ways to capture data in update sets. First one is create application file. Second one is update underscore sync attribute. Sorry, wait. YNCH sync attribute. Okay, yes. So we can check whether I have written attribute name correct or not. Okay, copy. So I'm going to configuration dictionary table. This is underscore PICTIONERY artist. Attributes here we don't have. I'm bringing to front. Yes, the attribute name is correct. Okay. Next. So with the update sets, sometimes we will get errors also. With the update sets, sometimes we'll get the errors also. We'll note down those errors, error details also. Errors in update sets. No. Wait. Errors with update sets. Okay, what kind of errors we will get with the update sets? Okay, so I'm looking for URL. You can wait for 1 minute, guys. I will check from the previous batch content for the errors with URL updates. If we get URL, then we will follow that URL. Otherwise, I will note down the error details. Okay. So meanwhile, send me your instance details. Okay. Okay, guys. So finally, I found URL. Okay. So we'll go to the URL and we will note down. Okay. So here you can see what are the errors we have with update sets. Remote update sets. Wait. Yes. So here you can see. So error should be like missing object, collision. Okay. Next, uncommitted update. Table to be deleted has data. Application scope validation issue. Conflict with a single batch. Okay, these are the errors generally. Okay, we'll note down. Yes, missing object first. First error is missing object. Next, collision. So regularly we will get collision errors, guys. Okay, mostly we will get collision errors only in the real time. So next, uncommitted update. Next, table to be deleted has data. Next, application scope validation issue. Next, conflict with a single batch, sorry. So I'm copying this URL. I'm copying this URL to you guys. So you can go to this URL and you can learn more about errors with update sets. Okay. Next. So for example, I have moved my update set to production environment. I have moved my update set to production environment. So then after my manager came to me and he said, you can remove your configurations from the production environment. Okay, that means backout update set. That means backout update set. We can also note down the backout update set definition. Update set. So backout update sets means removing the configurations from the instance. Okay. So you can see. You can back out changes to existing records for any committed update set. Okay, that means removing configurations. We'll use backout update set option. Okay, so I hope I have covered all theory part of update sets. Now we will go to the practical. Guys, tell me if you have any queries with content. So we will discuss. Then after we will go to the practical. Practically, we will create update sets and we will move. Okay, we'll move to the another instances. Okay. Yes. Yes, any queries? Okay, fine. You can see next. Now I'm closing all the tabs. Okay. So for example, here I'm going to the local update set. Under system update sets, I'm going to local update sets. Okay. So you can ignore about these two. Okay. So you can think about this global default update set. Okay. In interviews, they will ask one question. If we make default update set is complete, if we modify default update set to complete, what happens? In interviews, they will ask one question. if you completed default update set, if you make default update set completed, then what happens? In interviews, they will ask. So here you can see, here what is the default update set you are seeing? Default, yes or no? Default you are seeing, okay? Now, for example, I'm planning to complete this default update set. Then you can see what happens. It will automatically create a new update set, name with default one, name with the default one. So you can say I'm making default update set is completed. Okay, now I'm making default update set is completed. Now you can refresh. It is automatically created default one. Wait, it will create. Wait. Definitely it will create. I'm refreshing this page. So it is created or not? You can see. As we created any update set here as of now? No, we haven't created. It is automatically created one default one update set, and it is our current update set now. You can see. It is not showing here. It will show. Maybe it will take time, and it will show here in the current update sets. Okay, that's fine. Next, you can see, for example, if we complete default one update set, what happens? We complete default one update set, what happens? So you can see, then it will create another update set called default 2. Okay, it will create another update set called default 2. And refresh. Wait for 1 minute, it will create. Yes, wait. It will create. Still it hasn't created. It will create definitely. You can come and refresh this home page. No. Wait guys, it will definitely create the updates at default 2. So we will note down that question here. If we make default update set complete, what happens? Okay, so it will create a new update set, new update set name, new update set, that is default 1. Okay, it will create a new update set with name default 1. Name default 1. Okay guys, yes, in interviews they will ask this question. You can come and refresh here. No, it hasn't created. So it will definitely create. Maybe you can wait for some time and we'll see our update set is created, because these two default update sets are in complete state. Like that, if you complete default 2, it will create a default 3. Like that, it will create every time. Yes. Now I'm going to create a new update set. So this is new update set form. Sys underscore update underscore set. Okay. So I'm going to create my first update set. Your update set name format should be, we have different formats used in our organization. Update set name formats. Okay. They will use like this: short name, next hyphen, ticket ID, hyphen, short description. Okay, somebody will use like this: short name hyphen ticket ID hyphen short description version. Okay, version. So sometimes they will keep like this: short name hyphen sprint ID, scrum ID, you can say scrum detail, maybe you can say scrum details, or maybe scrum ID or sprint ID. Next, ticket ID. Next, short description. Sometimes they also use date. Okay. Next, maybe your name.
Some ID and story number.
No. So basically, if we are using agile methodology, we have sprints, right? Sprints, scrum. Maybe if we are, if anybody works with agile methodology, you have idea about what is sprint, what is scrum. Okay. Yes. So basically, agile methodology is a software development life cycle. One methodology from software development life cycle.
Jira, right? Jira.
Whatever it is, not like Jira. Whatever software it is, maybe it may be Servicenow, it may be .NET, it may be Python, whatever it may be. Okay. So guys, these are the few updates and naming conventions we will use in real time. And apart from this, every organization follow their own update set format. Okay. Finally, you have to follow the update set naming conventions as your organization is following. Okay. Yes. Sometimes we will also do like this. For example, ticket ID, short description and version. So for example, I'm creating one update set. My update set name, my short name is like RR. Okay. So my short name saying RR. For example, ticket ID, for example, INC 0001001. Okay. For example, short description. So maybe my ticket short description is my first update set. Okay. Update set. So I'm planning to take version. So I'm planning to take version 0 or version 1, V1, or I'm planning to take version of date 0903. Okay. Based upon your organizational update set naming conventions, you have to follow. Okay. Yes. Any queries here? Update set naming conventions. Any queries here? Yes, tell me. So maybe I'm also copying this.
Anjit sir,
Yes, tell me.
hello.
Yes.
Yeah, is there any is this compulsion to write the update set names in this way?
Yes, exactly. We have to write in this way. Okay, and you don't think if you go to the organization, they will use same format. Okay, you don't think like that. So every organization will follow different format. Okay. Okay, guys. So maybe you can see some organizations follow this format, some organizations follow this format. Okay, some organizations follow this format. Maybe we have different formats they will use. Okay. Based upon that, we have to follow. Okay, guys. So you can see I have written 2 examples here. So it will indicate V1, it will indicate some date also. Okay. V0903, that indicates date. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to create a new update set. So my update set name should be RR hyphen, maybe sometimes you can see they will not keep this one. They will not keep this one. They will simply say short name hyphen So ticket ID, short description. Like this also we will follow. Okay. Like this also will follow. Maybe here. That is short description. Wait. Copy. So here I'm removing these places. Sometimes we'll also follow like this, based upon your organization requirement. Okay. Next. Now here I'm going to create my first update set. I'm saying RR iPhone. My first update set. Okay, my update set is my first update set. This is fine for me. Okay. So in our training, I'm planning to follow this update. This. Okay. My short name and the concept. What concept I'm working for. Okay. Yes, I'm working for update sets. That's why I kept my first update set. Okay, guys. So for example, if you saved this update set, yes, it will save. And if you make submit and make current, it will appear here. If you make a submit and make current, if your